father of a nation, the man of honesty, the man of greatness. He's the one who has set us free. He's the one who has set us free. He fought for our freedom with non-violence and truth. He was a freedom fighter and a great leader, the man of patience and man of kindness. He taught us unity, truth and honesty. He taught us unity, truth and honesty.
The greatest way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of humanity. These are the magical words of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This year will mark the 152nd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. United Nations observed this day as International Day of Nonviolence. Gandhian philosophy is not only political, religious, or moral, but it is also traditional and modern, simple and complex. Gandhian ideology is mostly based on practical idealism. He believed in the overall development of our students, and that's why my little geniuses. Today, I would like to recommend few suggestions and guidance given by our father of nation, which is really going to help you a lot. Speak the truth. Number 2, always follow the path of non-violence. That means not to hurt and fight others emotionally, physically. Number 3, forgive yourself and others too. Number 4, spread love and only kindness. Number 5, last but not the least, never give up. That means if you didn't get success, don't lose heart. Try, and even try harder unless and until you get success. So, my little geniuses, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. With this amazing quote of Gandhiji, let us start our special assembly. Myself, Aiza Fatima, on behalf our class 1D and our class teacher, Mrs. Chandaravardhini, our Hindi teacher, Mrs. Hajira, our Arabic teacher, Mrs. Abira, our SUPW teacher, Mrs. Aisha, and our games teacher, Mrs. Samira. Wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Let us begin our special assembly by paying gratitude to Almighty by reciting Surah. So I call Akib Ahmed to recite the Surah from the Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Thank you, Akib. Let us pay hope to our motherland. So I call Eileen to say our school pledge. Raise your right hand. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity and all lies my happiness. Jai Hind, Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. Let us hear our school vision by Vian. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I want to say school vision. I urge the ends to be instead excellent, dedicated to producing good human beings and acceptable new global citizens. Thank you. Now I call Mahesh to sing our school song. Good everyone. Today I am going to sing our school song. लगती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी दूर दुनिया का मेरे दम से अंधेरा हो जाए हर जगह मेरे चमकने से उजाला हो जाए मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की जीनत जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की जीनत जिंदगी हो मेरी परवाने की सूरत इल्म की शम्मा से हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना ओ मेरे अल्लाह से बचाना नेक जो रहा हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी थैंक यू Thank you, Mahwish. To continue our assembly, let's hear a thought for the day by Aisha Fatima. Not for a day. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. See no to violence. Yes, sir, peace. I repeat again. Not for a day. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Makes the whole world blind. See no to violence. Yes, sir, peace. I repeat again. Not for a day. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Say no to violence. Yes, sir, peace. Thank you. Thank you, Aisha Fatima. Now I call Ishan to tell us about Gandhiji.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. I am here today to speak few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Today is 2nd of October. We are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a great and powerful leader of our country. He is also known as Bapuji and Father of Nation. He helped India to get independence from British rule. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishan. Now I would like to invite Shivanshi to sing a beautiful song in Hindi. Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to sing a Hindi song. दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ा कब ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ा कब ढाल साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. आंधी में भी जलती रहे गांधी तेरी मशाल. साबरमती के संत तूने कर दी कमाल. धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई. दागी ना कहीं तो अपना बंदूक चलाई. दुश्मन के किले पे भी तूने ना की चढ़ाई. चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल. साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल. साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल. रघुपति राघवा राजा राम. रघुपति राघवा राजा राम. Thank you. Thank you, Shivanshi. Let us hear another thought for the day by Syed Rehan. मेरा नाम सैयद मैं पहली कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. आज का विचार है थोड़ा सा अभ्यास बहुत सारे उपदेश से बेहतर है. Thank you, Syed Rehan. Let us hear another lovely song by Amina Danvi.
Hello everyone. My name is Amina Danvi. I am studying in first standard in section D. Today I am going to tell Gandhi Jayanti song. Gandhi Dinadesham Jam Vidisam Mataku Sanyekam Vidisam Mataku Sanyekam Raghupati Raghav Jara Patita Param Tara ईश्वर करता तेरे नाम सबको सन्मत दे भगवान వేదాలన్నీ పరిచి మోసం వేషం విరిచి మనిషి మనిషిగా బ్రతకాలి ఏనాడు ఇలా బాపు ఏ చల్లని దీవిని Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Amina Danvi. Let's watch an action song by Misbah Fatima.
Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu ji, father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu ji, I love you, Bapu. Thank you,
Misbah. Now, a beautiful song by Dancing by Aisha Saspa. Aisha Saspa. Be ready for the Saudi National Anthem by Shekhna.
Everyone, please stand up for Saudi National Anthem. سارعي للمجد والأليم مجدي لخالق السماء وارفع القبة قدر يحمل النور المتردد الله أكبر يا موطني قد استفكر المسلمين عاش الملك للعالم والوطن. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheikh. Now, stand at this. Attention. stand at his attention. Be ready for the Indian national anthem by Anvita Nirmal.
Please stand up for Indian national anthem. Jana Gana Adinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Dada Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Chalananga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Chala Chala Vitaranga Tab Shubha Naam Ki Jaaye Tab Shubha Aati Samaaye Gaate Tav Jaya Gata Jana Jana Mangalayata Daya Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He Jaya Hind.
I hope you all enjoyed today's assembly. I thank my teacher to giving me this opportunity. Wish you all a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you. Assembly disposed.
Aiza, thank you so much, all of you, for